Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to transfer the iClone 3D scenes into Blender. This is Blender. Now you can see a Blender from iClone 8 to Blender 5. How to transfer and how to just transfer as a 360-degree panorama. You can see this is just a UV sphere, a panorama. Right, so start from now. I'm going to show you all the step by step. So in Blender, I'm going to just start everything from beginning. I don't save it. Then from iClone, if you already created a scene, to export as the 360-degree panorama, what you need to do is just create a 3D block at the center. Alright, so now I'm going to just double click the box. Then this one, double click, press Q and double click, make sure you select it, then press F. Then go to the modified, just set as dummy. Then just render as the image. Then scroll down. Make sure you render enable the 360-degree panorama. This one, select it, final render, just export. So now I'm going to export as the image on the desktop. I'm going to just name this as Panorama Texture. Click Save. The output size, just put 8000. It will be better. So now it will become just a piece of picture first. And because of this is a 3D scene, and all of the trees in iClone, you cannot export as the 3D model, but you can just render as a 360-degree panorama. So have a look. Now it is set here as a texture. So now in the Blender 5, I just click the empty area, I press A and press delete everything. Then just add a mesh, add a UV sphere. This one, just press S, make it big. Then click here to show all the material texture. Then click the material, just add a new material, a base color. We don't want this, we click here. We want the image texture. We are going to attach it open from the desktop, the panorama texture just now. So now on. Then make it bigger again. Next we are going to set the roughness to become 1. Done. Then now you can see it already become a 360-degree panorama. Just now everything is in iClone, the iClone 8, and all of these are 3D. We make it become a panorama 360-degree, create a UV sphere in Blender. We already make it become a 360-degree panorama. Then you can just make your animation at here. It will become a 3D 360-degree background. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to send the iClone scene as a 360-degree panorama into Blender 5, and everything will just look realistic. And just take it easy. This is just a piece of texture with a UV sphere. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!